Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2025. Ayan. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services natin. So, this is the best time na magpa-read kayo ng private dahil kalahati lang yung babayaran nyo. Ayan. So, if you are also a new viewer, ayan, subscribe na rin kayo dito sa ating channel. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi. Just take what resonates. Aquarius. Let's see, September 2025 monthly reading. Links. This is intuition. Maaring mas magiging malakas ang inyong instinct, intuition ngayong September. And also, independence din to eh. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo bubukod. Oo, halimbawa, kayo nakatira pa sa parents nyo, bubukod na kayo, o kaya you will live independently na hindi na umaasa sa iba. Ganon. Let's see what else. You have the Sea Star. Sea Star is about simplicity, pagiging simple, and at the same time, elegant, o diba? Yung iba sa inyo, you will live a healthier lifestyle. So, mas magiging health conscious kayo ngayong September. Will focus on your well-being, yung pagiging maayos ng inyong kalusugan, ng inyong sitwasyon. You also have Scarab. Scarab is second chances, rebirth, ability to heal. So, maaring iba sa inyo, nagkaroon ng challenging situation sa kalusugan ninyo. Kaya ngayon, you are living a healthier lifestyle. So, ngayong September, i-regain mo yung strength mo. May renewal, merong pagkakaroon ng lakas ulit, no? Lalakas ka ulit. Makukuha mo ulit yung dating energy na meron ka. And also healing. Para tong brand new you. Maaring i-reinvent mo rin yung sarili mo na bagong ikaw. It's a brand new you. Let's see what else. What is your overall energy? Diba? Four of Swords. That is definitely healing. Yung iba sa inyo, nananahimik. Oo, yung parang, umiiwas muna kayo sa magugulong sitwasyon. Oo. You want to have, kumbaga, peaceful life. Oo. You have the Knight of Cups. This is an offer. Pwedeng merong person that will offer you love, no? If you're looking for a romantic connection. Pwede rin naman tong offer for work or job or opportunity na I don't know kung tatanggapin mo to. But I think pag-iisipan mo muna. Oo. Bago mo subukan. Expanded awareness. Nagkakaroon ka ng awakening, like spiritual awakening. Some of you, may mga bago kayong realization tungkol sa buhay nyo, tungkol sa choices nyo, tungkol sa paniniwala nyo. You are learning new things. Also, Pisces energy, which is your imagination, your magical capabilities. Maaaring may mga meron ka madidiscover sa sarili mo na pagdating sa manifestation, mabilis ka mag-manifest. Fifth house is also about having fun. Ayan. So, ngayong September, mag-e-enjoy ka. Parang gagawa ka ng mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo. You will go out, have fun. Your challenge is, Eight of Cups. As a challenge, meron kang iiwanang sitwasyon. So, siguro part yan ng pagiging independent mo. Or maaring merong aalis na tao sa buhay mo. For a reason, pwedeng dahil mag-a-abroad siya para sa pamilya nyo, or pwedeng itong person na to alis sa buhay mo dahil hanggang dun na lang talaga yung connection. You are, first house to, healing. You are healing. Heart healing. Yung iba, pwedeng kayong umaalis sa isang sitwasyon that is no longer serving your highest good. Yung tipong hindi ka na masaya, or it's time to focus on yourself. Sarili mo naman. Maaring meron kang mga ideas na hindi mo nagagawa dahil may mga pumipigil sa'yo. May mga plano ka na hindi mo nagagawa dahil merong mga taong hindi sumusuporta sa'yo. So, this can be a complicated situation. Pero, I think, magagawan mo to ng paraan. Kailangan mo lang tanggapin yung mga bagay na hindi mo na kontrolado. And then, your opportunity is, diba? 6 of Swords. Moving to a new direction. You are going to a new direction. Opportunity to transform and change and focus on rebuilding yourself. Maaring may nagtatapos sitwasyon sa buhay mo, trabaho, career, relationship, na kailangan mo nang umalis at mag-explore ng bagong experience. Yung iba rito, as simple as paglipat ng bahay. Paglipat ng lugar, ascendant, your outlook in life. Mas gusto mo ngayon na maayos yung sitwasyon mo, like, yung bang hindi ka masyadong nasistress, or yung tipong mas nabibigyan mo ng atensyon yung sarili mo, lalo na kung may mga bagay na gusto kang aralin, i-improve sa sarili mo. Kasi minsan, hindi natin nagagawa yan kasi may nangingialam. O, diba? It's time to surrender. Surrender the things na hindi mo kontrolado. This is also your subconscious mind. Now, ngayon, you have the opportunity to tap into your subconscious. Ano ba yung gusto ng subconscious mo? Ano ba yung totoong ikaw? Kasi minsan hindi natin yan pinapansin. Kasi nga, ang focus natin ibang tao. Ngayon, inward ka ngayon. Sa sarili mo ngayon yung focus mo. And then, your blessing, what's the blessing? Maaring may blessing of new relationship if you are looking for a relationship. Ngayong September, pwede rin tong business partnership or contract signing dahil may bago kang trabaho, may bagong opportunity for you. Yung iba sa inyo, you are healing your inner child. Nagsiset na kayo ng boundaries ngayon na halimbawa dati okay lang sa'yo na yung ba parang i-take advantage ka ng iba, ganyan, pero ngayon you are setting boundaries. You are also removing yung mga tao sa buhay mo na alam mong hindi na nila dinideserve yung energy mo. And you are protecting your energies as well. Diba? Kasi maaring yung iba, nandyan lang kasi may kailangan sa'yo. And this time, alam mo na kung sino yung dinideserve nung pagmamahal mo, nung care mo, yung attention mo. Yeah. Tingnan mo, love. Venus. Venus ang iyong blessing. Venus is the planet of love, money, luxury. So, I think, meron kang, pagdating sa material na bagay, may mga blessings kang marireceive ngayong September. Mga bagay na gusto mo, you've been manifesting, you've been wanting to have. Siyempre, iba-iba tayo ng gusto may na-manifest. So, depende na yan kung ano yung gusto nyo. This is about beauty, romance, wealth. Things are not what they seem. You are only trapped in your illusion. What freedom do you seek? Yes. So, you are freeing yourself from the illusion na minsan inisip natin na, ito yung best para sa akin. Pero, hindi pala. Best pala yun para sa ibang tao. 'Di ba? So, ngayon, you are seeing things in a different perspective. Nare-realize mo na, teka, ito palang ginagawa ko ay hindi talaga to para sa akin, para sa iba pala to. Ngayon, tatanungin mo yung sarili mo, ano ba yung kailangan mo? 'Di ba? You will attend to your needs. It's time to attend to your needs and take care of your needs. Ngayong September. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.